What's the worst part about working with Danny D'Angelo? Good morning.
Good morning. Good to meet you.
Where's your drink?
I've just finished it. So,
okay.
But I'll do a little more later. But good to meet you. I heard you live on the way over.
Oh,
and you're talking
amazing.
to the two gentlemen.
I can see, Eric, somebody does pay attention to us.
Yes, and many of the stuff you're talking about was, it just kind of re-emphasized and reinforced the things that you have been preaching more or less. So I take it to heart, man. And my wife said, make sure you meet Danny.
Awesome.
Yes.
Well, I apologize. You're Louis.
Yeah, Louis.
And where are you at in the process? You know who I am. Did you grab the course?
Yeah, man, I got a course in October.
Yeah, man. I know where you're from.
Right, and we went over one of my scouting laundromats where the real estate agent proved that he really didn't understand about commercial leasing based on the questions that you asked him. So I found that interesting as well. And so what I've done is a spreadsheet of all the places I've gone to. So I have the first visit, the second one will be in like 2 months or 3 months, 6 months out, a year out, and I have notations on all of them. Awesome. So, and then I have some pictures to go along with it. So I'll follow up diligently because I think no matter how much you know, if you don't have the discipline to go along with it and the fun, because it's a fun thing.
Yeah.
You know, going to places to eat in the different regions.
I love it. And making money is fun.
Yes,
too.
of course.
Yeah.
And one of the questions even I posed to your wife and I said is, how far out should I even scout? Because I've seen places that are like 2-3 hours away.
Did she tell you she has no idea?
No, she says to check with you.
Shelly's doing the
thing.
thing.
Check with you.
There you go.
Yeah.
There you go.
And I realized that if you have
do I have your phone number?
Yes.
So we're consulting with each other?
Yes.
All right.
Yes.
You just wanted to meet?
Yes, of course. Of course, especially since I'm from this area.
Okay.
You know, and
you don't look like I thought you would look.
No.
So that's how I didn't make the connection.
Right. Yeah, well, that's always the case. You never look the same as the voice, you know what I mean? So yeah, definitely, you know, I find it a lot of fun, and I thought I set a goal, which means that if I want to do 2 within a year, there are so many places I need to visit.
Are we calling landlords as well?
Yes,
we're doing that together.
Yeah, we have that already.
What's the worst part about working with Danny D'Angelo?
Just understanding the process, but there's nothing worse because I understand the method.
You heard it here first. There's nothing worse than working with me.
No, really, honestly, because it's for my own best interest. You've been there, you've done that, so I'm learning, so I'm teachable and coachable, so I try to step back, listen to what's going on and learn from it. And identifying the laundromats, the ones where all the machines may or may not be working, the pay phones, the color scheme, just the traffic that goes through, and those are the little things that I'm looking at and making notations. So if I go back, I can at least have some idea of what I'm looking for.
Isn't it amazing how many horrible stores there are?
Yes.
Amazing.
I'm surprised. But then the key thing when you said that, I think it was Amazon is trying to get into that service business, that's a light that flashed in my head, say, hey, I need to get behind this as quickly as possible. Yeah.
Well, I sort of pay attention to the laundry thing because all of the buttons flash and all of my bells go off whenever something happens, and you know, it's a keyword search basically.
Right.
And Amazon sees this as a $5 billion a year industry, and they want a piece of it, somehow doing drop off.
Right.
And if they get involved, they'll probably figure it out.
Yes.
Well, good. Appreciate you. I'm glad we got to meet.
Yeah, man. Same here, man. All the best. Thank you so much.
Thanks, Louis.
Take care.
I'm pretty sure this hot water heater's got a few more good years left in it.